Hello, general biology students. My name is Kara Johnson. I'm your instructor for this semester, and I just wanted to record this little introductory video to get you oriented and hopefully help you get off to a smooth start in this class. So the first thing that I wanted to bring your attention to is just to my ozarka and how you can find everything that you need for this class. So if you're not familiar with my ozarka, you can click on the Courses tab, and that should bring up a list of all of the courses that you're enrolled in. And then you can click on the name of the course, and that will take you into your course shell. So all of the stuff that you need is going to be over here on the menu. And the first thing I would like for you to do is to take a look at the syllabus. And I wanted to just point out a few things. My email address is on here. The best way to contact me is through course mail when you're in the course shell for general biology. And since I am an adjunct or part-time instructor here at Ozarka, I don't have official office hours, but if you email me, if you need a phone call or a video conference, I'm happy to accommodate that, and we can just schedule that on through email. And so I just grade on a typical scale using total points. There will be 6 exams that are worth 100 points each. There will be about 10 lab exercises, and then a semester-long project, the field lab notebook worth 100 points. I'll describe that in more detail next week. And then the final exam, which is worth 50 points. The exam for this class is online, so you will not need to come to campus. And then, oh, it looks like I have my total points. There's an error. I will fix that. So go ahead and check out the syllabus. It has important dates you'll need to know and also ozarka policies on different topics. And the important dates are down here at the bottom. The next thing I wanted to draw your attention to is the activities tab. And that is where you can find all of your assignments and everything that you need for this class. I really like the way my ozarka has everything broken down by week. And for my class, what you can expect is that I will have the assignments for a given week go live at midnight on Sunday. So you'll have all day Sunday, and then they will be due the following Saturday at 11:59 p.m. unless I state otherwise. The only cases that will maybe be different will be the due date for your field lab notebook and then the due date for your final. And that's because the field lab notebook's a semester long assignment, and then the finals schedule determines when your final will be due. So a couple of things. I have everything ready for this week. The only things that I need you to do this week will be to participate in our introduction discussion. And I have my introduction in there so you can learn a little bit more about me there. And I would like for each of you to follow the instructions in there and then go ahead and post your own introduction, and make sure to remember to reply to 2 classmates posts. And that's always how it is for discussions in this class, is you need to make your original post and then you need to reply to 2 classmates posts in order to get all of your points. And then this video is going to be found right here under announcement week 1. And then the only other thing that I have on the agenda for this first week is for you to read chapter 1. That's one thing I wanted to mention is the book for this class. We're using an OpenStax book, and it's free, and so every chapter will be provided to you in your course shell. I'll have a PDF of each chapter. I also have a link in your syllabus to where you can actually find the OpenStax website, and you can register for an account and get some resources through there. So for some of my chapters, I will have a PowerPoint presentation, and for some of them I don't. And it just depends on what the topic is, whether I think it's helpful in an online class to actually do an online lecture or not. And I will always have PowerPoint files to go along with the chapters. So you can always find those in your course shell. Now, if anyone has any questions, I'm more than happy for you to email me or contact me. I feel like that's something that's really important in an online class, and I will always try to get back to you by the end of the next business day. So if you email me late on Friday, you may not hear back from me until the following Monday, but I really do try to keep up with those emails in a timely manner. And so a couple of suggestions I have for this class will be to make sure and log in to my Ozarka at least every day, at least once a day, so that you can make sure and get any updates or announcements. And I would not, I would encourage you to get started early in the week on your assignments because you don't want to get to Saturday evening and then find out that the assignment might take longer than you thought it would, or maybe you have technical issues or whatever. And if you're right there against the deadline, that doesn't give you a lot of wiggle room to find a solution. If you ever do have a problem with anything, please notify me early, preferably before the due date, so that we can look for a solution. If you email me after the assignment's already due, I'm going to be way less likely to work with you on things like that. So all of that said, I hope that we can all learn a lot, but also have a little bit of fun in this class. I'm very enthusiastic about science and biology in general, and I do try to make sure that we have plenty of opportunities that are interesting and fun. And that kind of brings me to the labs for this class. Most of them are going to be what I like to call kitchen labs, and so I'll have a procedure in your course shell for the labs, and you will use materials that you can easily find at Walmart or a grocery store, and you'll have to follow the procedure and submit whatever it is that I'm asking you to submit for that lab. Some of them I have are virtual through various resources, and I'll make sure and let you know, as we go. I have really clear instructions, but if you ever have a question, please let me know so we can get it cleared up. All right, I'm looking forward to having a great semester. Make sure to participate in the discussion. And also, if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'll put a link in the course shell for that. I'll give you 5 bonus points, and I will upload all of my videos for the course onto my YouTube channel. So I hope that you have a great night, and I'm looking forward to having a great start to the semester. Thanks so much. Bye.